Hello viewers, welcome to Saipedia. First step to success. Subscribe our channel to support our videos. This video deals with professional English for arts and social science UG first year students. Professional English syllabus covers 5 units. Unit 1 Communicate Exercise Answers. Page number 8 to 29. In first unit, the syllabus covers listening, speaking, reading, writing and vocabulary. Task answer for textbook page number 9. Pre-listening activity. Match the words in column A with their meanings in column B. Here in column A, some words are given and you want to match the words with column B. First one, medieval. It means belonging to a very distant past. Second one, post-colonial. It means occurring after the colonial rule. Third one, subaltern. It means someone who has been marginalized or oppressed. Fourth one, colonize. It means settle and establish control over a place and its people. Fifth one, prehistoric. It means period before written records. Sixth one, dynasty. That means a line of hereditary rulers of a country. Periodization. It means process of dividing history into periods. Gandhian. It means relating to Gandhi's character or values. Ninth one, civilizing. It means bringing a place or people to a stage of social and cultural development. The last one, ancient. It means old-fashioned. Next, textbook page number 11. Based on the passage you listened to state whether the following statements are true or false. மேல உங்களுக்கு ஒரு passage கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. அந்த passage reference எடுத்துட்டு கீழ இருக்கிற sentence true or false அப்படிங்கறத பார்க்கலாம். The first one, the periodization of Indian history into Hindu, Muslim and British was done by Indian scholars. Answer, false. Next, prehistory predates writing. It has no written records. Answer, true. The Prophet Muhammad took flight from Medina to Mecca. Answer, false. Next, colonization by the British was more than colonization of territory. The mind and body are also colonized. Answer, true. Next, the Gandhian age began after 1947. Answer, false. Next, second exercise. Complete the table based on the talk you heard. So, இதுவும் அதே passageல இருந்துதான் answers நம்ம பண்ண போறோம். Periodization according to European historian is not uniform and varies from country to country. Second, timeline followed by Islamic countries was Hijra era. Tripartite periodization is division of 3 into Hindu, Muslim and British periods. Gandhian phase is the period of 1919 to 1947. Next exercise 3. Complete the timeline about Mahatma Gandhi, birth, education, marriage, South Africa, freedom fight and death. First one, born at Porbandar, Gujarat in 1896. Educated in 1887. Married at 1883. Went to South Africa in 1893. Starts freedom fight in 1924 and assassinated in 1948. Next, listen to the following instructions given before examination. Post listening activity. இங்கேயும் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு passage கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. அந்த passage carefully read பண்ணிட்டு கீழ இருக்கிற questionsக்கு நம்ம answer பண்ணணும். First one, in the list of instructions you heard, every instruction starts with an imperative verb. List out the imperative verbs you heard. மேலே இருக்கிற பேசேஜில் இருக்கிற imperative verbs நம்ம எழுத போகிறோம். Answer: write, do not be, do not bring, use, do not leave, hand over, do, return, mark are the imperative verbs. Second question: write a list of 5 instructions you would give to your younger brother who is going to write his board exam. Your instruction should start with imperative verbs. Verbs start ஆகிற மாதிரி sentence make பண்ணணும். Answer: prepare well for the examination. Go to the exam center in time with all your certificates and ID card. Read the questions well and answer accordingly. Next, don't waste your time and recall the points mentally. Last one, revise your answers before handling over the answer sheets. These are the sentence starts with imperative verbs. Next, speaking. Look at the following smiley images and write what do they express: fear, anger, or any other emotions. Let me see. The first one is joy. Second, anticipation. Third, sadness. Fourth, anger. And the last one, loneliness. Next, textbook page number 15. Exercise speaking activities. Role play. Here they gave some situations and you want to make a role play between the characters. First one, a student has forgotten to submit his assignment for second time. The teacher is very angry. The student should try to persuade the teacher to give him more time. Answer for this role play: teacher and the student Rakesh. Teacher: where is your assignment? Rakesh: sorry madam, I am yet to finish it. Teacher: what? You still behave badly and act irresponsibly? Rakesh: I could not do in time because I had work at home. Teacher: I don't want excuse. You should not come to my class from tomorrow. Rakesh: you give me 2 more days time, madam. Teacher: okay. If you don't submit by tomorrow, I will report to the principal. Rakesh: thank you, madam. I will submit it tomorrow. Next, reading activity. Textbook page number 17. Choose the right word for the given meanings from the list of the words given below. Making up something. Answer: coined. Extreme tiredness. Answer: nausea. Something that is debatable. Answer: controversial. Physics. Answer: fatigue. Anything that is used to make money. Answer: commercial. Reputation or stature. Answer: prestige. Stay alive. Answer: survive. Difficult to reach. Answer: inaccessible. Scaling. Answer: essence. Vomiting. Excrement. Vomiting. Answer: excrement. Next, reading passage. Here they gave the passage about Mount Everest and you want to answer the following question based on this passage. Textbook page number 19. Where is Mount Everest located? Answer: between Nepal and the China border. Everest is so named because of a British official who was Surveyor General. Third one, according to the passage, which one of the following is not a factor that contributes to the difficulty in climbing Mount Everest? Answer: the grizzlies are dangerous to people who climb these mountains. Fourth one, what makes people to climb such high mountains? Answer: national prestige makes the climbers to do it for their country. The British wanted to prove that they were the masters in climbing the world's largest mountain. Fifth question, who is Sherpas? Answer: Sherpas are natives of Nepal and well-trained mountaineering. Sixth one, who was the first person to climb Mount Everest? Answer, George Mallory and Andrew Irwin were the first persons to climb Mount Everest. Next question, complete the table based on the passage and if possible, collect more information from online resource or books, etc. புக்ல கொடுத்திருக்கிற மவுண்ட் எவரெஸ்ட் பேசேஜை ரெஃபர் பண்ணி தான் இந்த காலமை நம்ம ஃபில் பண்ண போறோம். நேம் ஆஃப் த பர்சன் ஹூ கிளைம்ட் மவுண்ட் எவரெஸ்ட், த கண்ட்ரி he or she belongs to, did the person succeed or not. So here some of the person who tried to climb Mount Everest. Sir George Everest belongs to Britain and did not succeed. George Mallory and Andrew Irwin belongs to Britain and succeed but died. Tom Baudelaire and Charles Evans belongs to Britain but did not succeed. Edmund Hillary belongs to New Zealand and succeed in his climbing. Tenzing Norgay belongs to Nepal and succeed in his climbing. Apasipra Purba Tasi belongs to Nepal and succeed in their climbing. Task number 8. Textbook page number 19. You and your friends are planning to climb a small mountain near your place. As the captain of the team, write a set of 5 instructions to be followed by your friends while climbing the mountain. Start your instruction with imperative verbs. So verb வச்சு start பண்ற மாதிரி sentence நம்ம frame பண்ணணும். And mountain climb பண்றதுக்கு what are the requirements? அதுதான் நம்ம இங்க statement கொடுக்க போறோம். Answer, bring torch and first aid materials while climbing. Take oxygen cylinder for gaining breath. Have enough water to drink. Wear transparent glasses while climbing. Be careful while ascending the mountain. Next, reading passage 2. Pre-reading activity. Textbook page number 23. Here, there are some vocabularies are given and we want to write the meaning for these vocabularies. Addiction. Answer, become slave to something. Impact. Answer, effect. Homemaker. Answer, one who provides facilities at home. Utilizing. Answer, using. Judiciously. Answer, prudently. Extreme. Answer, utmost. Correlation. Answer, mutuality. Distress. Answer, sorrow. Crucial. Answer, important. Downside. Answer, lower side. Next, bookல page number 22ல இருக்கிற passage read பண்ணிட்டு தான் இந்த questionஸ்க்கு நம்ம answer பண்ண போறோம். B. What are the problems the author feels internet addiction would lead to? Answer, the author feels that addiction and severe mental health condition will result from internet addiction. Next, C. In the above passage, which items are facts and which ones are opinions of the author? Differentiate between fact and opinion in the table below. Bookல 22 pageல கொடுத்திருக்கிற passageல author share some facts and opinions. அதுல இருக்கிற factsஐயும் opinionsஐயும் நம்ம separate பண்ணி எழுத போறோம். First one, facts. Technology, online communication, YouTube channel, internet addiction, judicious usage. These are the words or facts. And opinions, extreme usage, psychological distress, studies indicate addiction, major downside, severe mental health condition. Next, textbook page number 24. Writing. இந்த exerciseல சில famous personalities ஓட pictures கொடுத்திருக்கிறாங்க. We want to write some words about them. First one, Subramanya Bharatiyar, national poet who fought for Indian independence. Second one, Mahatma Gandhi, father of India who helped to get freedom for India. Third one, Abraham Lincoln, ex-president who abolished slavery in America. Fourth one, Rani Lakshmi Bai was a woman warrior in Madhya Pradesh and she fought for the country's independence. And the last one, Sardar Bhagat Singh is a warrior from Punjab who threw himself in the freedom struggle till his death. Next, இந்த ஆக்டிவிட்டியும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு பிக்சர் கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்க. அந்த பிக்சர் எந்த இன்சிடென்ட்டை ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணுது, எந்த ஹிஸ்டாரிக்கல் மூமெண்ட்டை ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணுது அப்படிங்கிறத நம்ம எழுதணும். Now, look at the following picture. Can you guess the historic event shown in these pictures? What do you think is depicted in these pictures? First one, the storming of the Bastille people. This picture talks about the Battle of French Revolution. And the second one, people guillotined. This picture refers the people sacrificed their lives during the days of the French Revolution. So, இதோட யூனிட் 1ல இருக்கிற எக்ஸசைஸோட வீடியோ முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. யூனிட் 1ல பேசேஜ் ஆன்சர்ஸ் என்னுடைய பிளாக்கர் பேஜ்ல நான் அப்லோட் பண்றேன். So, please check my Blacker page to get answers for Unit 1 Professional English. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.